Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your laptop is online and system time is correct, because Google checks time for security tokens. Open your preferred browser. Chrome is fastest for Google services. Then go to Drive. Google.com. If you want a clean session, open an incognito or private window. This avoids cross-account cookies. Once the page loads, click Sign In. You need your Google email or phone. Keep your password handy. This immediate first step gets you into Google's authentication flow quickly and secure. You'll now provide credentials. Type your email or phone carefully to prevent lockouts, then enter your password. If you use a password manager, allow it to fill to avoid mistakes. Otherwise, click the eye icon briefly to verify characters. Next, handle two-step verification if it appears. Approve via your Authenticator app, respond to SMS, or paste a backup code. Make sure you trust the device before selecting Stay Signed In. Once verified, Google prepares your Drive account and loads your files. You should now see your Drive interface. Click My Drive and Recent to confirm your files and folders are visible. If files fail to load or icons spin, refresh the page, clear browser cache, or try another browser or a private window. Sometimes an extension blocks scripts. If sign-in fails, use the account recovery flow to reset password and check your email for security alerts. When all else fails, confirm Google service status to rule out an outage. This resolves many mysterious failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.